Hi team, welcome to Additional UI. In this video, we will walk you through how to create an example using Playground. Let's get started. First, click on the Playground. Here, you can select the CSS framework you want to use, if any. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and add your code in the provided space. Next, you'll see a toggle icon. Click on this icon to switch between dark and light modes. Additionally, there are 4 options above to adjust your view: Full View, Mobile View, Split View. Select the one that best suits your needs. Now, click on the Save button. Take a screenshot of your work. This screenshot will be used to create a thumbnail for your code example. Paste the screenshot you just took to use as a thumbnail. If your code supports dark mode, make sure to click on the dark mode. Next, add a proper title. Select proper section and add description for your code example. To log in and save your work with your name, click on the Sign In with Google button. Then click Save and Share button. And that's it. Your example has been created successfully. You can now share it with your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.